Did you know one soldier fought through World War II with a sword, a longbow, and bagpipes, and actually used all three in battle? His name was John Churchill. His friends called him Mad Jack, and he was completely serious. In 1940, he drew first blood for his unit with a longbow. A longbow, the last confirmed kill with one in modern warfare. He led charges into German positions playing the bagpipes. He carried a Scottish broadsword into close combat and used it. When the Germans finally captured him, they refused to believe he was just a regular officer. They assumed he had to be related to Winston Churchill himself. But here is what most people miss. This wasn't a man being weird for the sake of it. Jack Churchill had looked at industrial warfare, at the machine guns and the mass graves and the idea that soldiers were just replaceable parts, and he had made a decision. He was going to fight on his own terms. He was going to remain a man, not a mechanism. He survived the war. Of course he did.